I'm going to read Toolbox 1 from this book. Suggested intentions for recovery. Here are normal and safe wants and needs to wish for and hope for, to cultivate with mental, spiritual, emotional, and physical energy. As usual, focus on the ones that most appeal to you. Skip the ones that do not feel right for you or that you don't feel ready for. 1. I want to develop a more constantly loving and accepting relationship with myself. I want an increasing capacity for self-acceptance. 2. I want to learn to become the best possible friend to myself. 3. I want to attract into my life relationships that are based on love, respect, fairness, and mutual support.
4. I want to uncover a full, uninhibited self-expression. 5. I want to attain the best possible physical health.
6. I want to cultivate a balance of vitality and peace.
7. I want to attract to myself loving friends and loving community.
8. I want increasing freedom from toxic shame. 9. I want increasing freedom from unnecessary fear.
10. I want rewarding and fulfilling work. 11. I want a fair amount of peace of mind, spirit, soul, and body.
12. I want to increase my capacity to play and have fun.
13. I want to make plenty of room for beauty and nature in my life. 14. I want sufficient physical and monetary resources.
Well done. 15. I want a fair amount of help, self-human or otherwise, to get what I need. I'm skipping 16 because of religious overtones that we do not fucking gel well with.
17. I want a balance of work, rest, and play.
That's fair, you don't have to. I'm really proud of you for coming out near the front adult. It's rough right now. You're really brave. 18. I want a balance of stability and change. 19. I want a balance of loving interaction and healthy self-sufficiency.
20. I want full emotional expression with a balance of laughter and tears.
21. I want a sense of meaningfulness and fulfillment.
22. I want to find effective and non-abusive ways to deal with anger.
23. I want all this for each and every other being that is not an abuser.